Hello mga Mars! Nasubukan niyo na ba ang bread and other pastries ng Victoria's Bakery? Sa dinami-dami ng bake shop sa Baguio City, minsan di mo na alam saan ka bibili. Kaya if you're just in the Session Road area, you might as well want to try this bake shop. They offer different kinds of breads, pastries, and cakes for your special occasion. And hindi lang yan mga Mars, because we are talking about breads, hindi din mawawala ang drinks like coffee, fraps, and fruit teas. I have tried their cheese bread and cream puff and both nagustuhan ko. Next time, subukan ko naman yung ibang products nila. Yun lang for today. Agyaman ak launay. Bye!